The Impulse SV400 pile cutter is an indispensable tool when constructing a pile field. Right now, we're at the Impulse Technopark's production site in the Moscow region, where a new workshop is being built. And as you can see, we use the equipment ourselves in our work, which only motivates us to make it reliable, durable, and efficient. Durability is achieved through a specialized box-type frame design, which provides high strength for the entire piece of equipment. For hydraulic cylinders deliver the highest cutting force in its class. The box-type frame also protects them from construction debris. And each pick moves along its own guide to a bushing that secures it throughout its entire extension path. As you can see right now, the pile cutter delivers unmatched work efficiency compared to manual pneumatic hammers. And at the same time, instead of an entire crew, only 2 people are needed. An operator who controls the base machine, and a rigger who guides the pile cutter when working with piles. Choose equipment that can solve your specific tasks most efficiently. After all, we expand the capabilities of our equipment to make people's lives better,